How to use browser extensions in Brave browser. Hey everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Brave browser extensions in Brave browser. Extensions can enhance your browsing experience by adding new features and functionalities. Let's get started. Start by launching Brave browser on your computer. In the upper right corner, click on the three horizontal lines to open the menu. And from the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools and then select Extensions. To find new extensions, click on the Get More Extensions button. And this will take you to the Chrome Web Store, where you can browse and search for extensions. Use the search bar in the Chrome Web Store to find the extension you want. For example, type in Adblock or Grammarly and press Enter. Once you find the extension you want, click on it to open its details page, then click Add to Chrome button and confirm by selecting Add Extension. The extension will be downloaded and installed in Brave directly. After installation, you can manage your extensions by going back to the extensions page, and here you can enable, disable, or remove extensions as needed. You can pin an extension to the toolbar for easy access. And that's it. You now know how to use Brave extensions in browser. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.